Hey everyone, let's talk about what we have to do when you're ready to submit your video to me for Chapter 9 Gallery. So at one point, I'm going to want to see it in live view. You don't have to check everything in live view, but again, I would like to see just a few things. So if you switch back over to live view, and again, you should be in that 320 by 480. I do want to see your image for your logo up here for the home page. Okay, I want to make sure that's been adjusted on there. Again, this is your choice. You can go right here and you can open, and in this case I have the panels on the services page. You have to test out all your links. Okay, so again, you can do this in live view. That works for me. You can also do this within simply just going back into your browser and doing it there. The only thing is if you do it on the browser, again, the size will not be the same thing. Again, that's fine. You don't have to really do anything. So again, I don't have to see anything in the design view. Live is the only thing there. Or again, you could go back and open this up within your browser. When you do this within the browser, just make sure you're going to the index page there. Again, it's not going to be the same size, but not a big deal. I just want to see, did you make the changes around your image up here in live view? If you don't show me the live view, you cannot get credit for that. So again, testing out the links, open up any panels. It actually runs a little smoother within a browser. Live view seems to be a little clunky. Again, just how it's made and how it's previewing. Don't worry about like the size. I know it's already been done, but I do want to see that that size has been set up and also what it shows back at the design view. But this is all I have to do